In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace using 5 easy steps to help you sell your things faster. Let's dive in and get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to Facebook's website. If you're not already logged in, be sure to enter your login information to access your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Facebook homepage. From here, look at the left side of your screen and you should see a menu. This menu offers various options, but what you want to do is scroll down until you spot the See More option. Clicking on this will expand the menu so you have more of Facebook's features at your fingertips. Once you've expanded this menu, the next step is to click on Marketplace. This will take you to Facebook's Marketplace section where people are actively buying and selling items. It's the perfect spot to set up your listing and capture the attention of potential buyers. Now that you're in Marketplace, you want to create a new listing to sell your item. To do this, look for the Create New Listing button and give it a click. This brings up several types of listings you can choose from, such as items for sale, vehicles for sale, home for rent, etc. For most personal items, you'll likely select standard items for sale, but depending on what you're selling, choose the listing type that best fits your item. Now, it's time to add some photos. Visuals are crucial in the online marketplace. They grab attention and help your buyers understand exactly what you're offering. Use clear, well-lit photos with multiple angles to showcase your item effectively. Once you've added your photos, you need to write an appealing and informative title for your item. A concise, descriptive title can attract more interest. After you've got your title set, input the price for your item. Be competitive, but also be sure to account for the value and condition when setting your price. Next, you need to choose a category. Pick the one that best describes your item so that potential buyers can find it more easily when browsing by category. The next step is to choose the condition of the item, whether it's new, used like new, or perhaps used but in good condition. Following that, write up a detailed description. Be honest and include all relevant details about the item's history, features, and any imperfections. Adding tags is a great way to make sure your item appears in search results. Use relevant keywords that potential buyers might use when searching. Also, be sure to specify your location so buyers know where the item is coming from. Now, consider how you want to handle delivery. This could be via local pickup, shipping, or a combination of options depending on what's convenient for you. Finally, once everything is filled out accurately, it's time to hit next and then publish. Congratulations, you've successfully listed your item on Facebook Marketplace. Make sure to keep an eye on your messages for potential buyers and be ready